Hello everyone, this is the Wargaming Guy. Welcome back to Sandstorm. This is our second video. I like the first look so much, I'm just going to keep playing. And yes, I'm continuing to play the Burma Road scenarios as well, so Order Battle's taking up a lot of space on the channel, but hey, it's fun, so why not? You notice we got to connect Alleghenia and Bardia, so that's a lot of connecting going on, so we'll see what we can do here. All right, let's start back here. What have I got going back here? Anything? Yes, what I thought. Oh, I can't. Have I got anybody left to move? I'm not sure, actually. I think I moved everything. Yeah. Yeah, pretty sure I did. I did. Oh! Ooh, British artillery catching me with my pants down. Or my guys in trucks, whichever comes first. And they're going to hit this guy in trucks. Ah. Man. So, I've been taking risks, and they don't always pay off. So, let's see what these guys are going to do now. Oh, they're going to move up and challenge me. Ooh, no. Oh, bummer. Man, my engineers, I think those are engineers, just got their butts kicked. Wow. Yeah, their engineer's all right. Well, we just used a lot of points to help those guys out. Okay, let's see here. Let's come over here and pick on this guy. Cool. All right, let's put him in that one. Now, where's my other fighter? Is he in here? Yes. What do we got? Let's go ahead and upgrade him. We'll get him out next turn. Meanwhile, oops, shoot. Oh, whoa, I may lose this guy. Wow. Okay, that's like worse than bad. But we are still going to press on here. Okay, let's see if we can get a point. Nice. And, nope. Where's my... I thought I had other artillery. Oh, it's right there. Let's get in a little closer so I can see what I'm doing. All right, let's go ahead and send our infantry up. Nice. What are these guys? Okay, let's go ahead and do this. You come on up here and pick on the Artie. Alright, here we go. We got some more Bersalagi. Let's send them this way. Heavy infantry. Wow. They don't go very far, do they? Well, they're heavy. All right, let's go ahead and reinforce them. Okay. Now down here. Can I? No, I can't. It's too bad. All right. Well, first thing we're going to do is deal with this guy. And our engineers, got to get them rehabbed to get them up here to deal with this. I was thinking, didn't I put a bomber? No. Yeah, this is the fighter, the Italian fighter. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and keep going. Keep taking these risks. I'm going to have to stop soon. I'm going to have to pick up some more units too, because obviously this exploitation phase is a lot of fun, but clearly we're going to have dug in British units all around in here. And to connect Bardia, man, like take it through Eladem, it's going to be tight to say the least. It's going to be difficult. All right, who do I have left? Nobody. Moved everybody. No, dude, run away. Run away. Thank you. Anybody? Yeah, just one, though. Not too bad. Ah. Swapping on me. Okay. Flee. Flee. They're fleeing. We must cut them off and not let them escape. These little boogers. Whoa. So Barce or oh shoot, he's gonna die now. Darn. Yeah. You're dead. Shoot, man, lost my first unit. Alright. Oops. We're gonna have to poke along real slow here. I think we're gonna bring you up too. Time for you to get back in the game. And there you are. Let's get you getting out here. Get after this bomber. Yeah, we are not going to mount up in trucks anymore. But maybe actually, no, I don't want to do that. Tell you what, see if I can buy another Italian unit. Because I've got more points for the Italians right now than anybody else. Can I do it? Where can I deploy? Oh, see, that's what I was hoping for. Yes, forward deploy these guys. Awesome. All right, now. Okay. Good. Can I? Oh, shoot. I was hoping I could shoot him with the artillery. I can get him there. Good. Nailed him. Let's press on. And here we go. What's that? That's an Italian truck. We'll just let that be since we don't have a lot of choice. Is that it? No. Oh, of course. Here. Let's take these guys on. And we'll swing around. Ooh. Those are not good odds, so forget that. And are you kidding me? I can't move 2 hexes without a... Alright, fine. Let's upgrade him. Let's reinforce him. And I think that's it. No, I'm wrong. Oh, artillery, of course. Yeah. Come on. Oh. All right, let's reinforce him. But let's leave him there. Thank you. And they're running all right. I like it. I should probably enjoy it while I can. He's trying to escape. And they're going to fight here. They are going to stand and fight. Well, yeah, he's dead. I'll get him next turn. All right. I want you to take this. Very good. I want you to push ahead. You are going to push ahead as well. You are too. Beautiful. And you guys. Yes, take him. Nice. Pull you up here. It's a bit of a risk, but we'll take it. And I think actually, yeah, let's send him this way. Give a little more support over here. Now then, engineers. Can't attack, but at least we're sitting there. All right. Let's take this out. Okay. Let's go ahead and kick his butt. If we're lucky, this guy will try to cut us off, and then he won't be dug in anymore, and we can nail him, but probably won't be that lucky. Okay, I'm going to cruise up here. I'm going to send you forward. Where's that Italian fighter? There he is. Let's get him up here. And there he is. Let's get him, take him over here. Let's see if I can spot anything. And we're getting dangerous here. Still can't shoot him down. Arr. Darn it. All right. I'm just going to keep pushing. They are way out on a limb. But got to find out what's out here. So I guess that's one way to do it. And, okay, I think that's... Really, who's low on fuel? You are. Well, we'll see if we can get you back next turn. Hope you don't die. Yes, I know. Oof. Okay, they know I'm here. Ooh. All right, the defenses of Toburk are serious, man. Gonna try to come out here and cut us off. We're wise to your game, buddy. Oh. I didn't hurt anybody. Excellent. Oh, yeah, trying the old swing around thing. But no. Okay, it's a little confusing, but whatever. And here comes a fighter. Interesting. All right, you, senor, you got to go as far as you can go back this way. You... All right, we'll just bring you out here. And, yeah, let's just come up here. Let's keep our fighters together. Yeah, we want to get away from the artillery, that's for sure. Yeah, tell you what, let's just expand this road net a little bit. Ditto over here. And it's 3-2. That's 2-0, so we'll take that. Didn't kill him, darn it. What is that? That's okay, that's anti-air. Which could serve as anti-tank, but hopefully it won't be too effective. Got him. All right. So that's not going to work. Wait a minute. Yes, let's fire on him. Let's get you moving here. Whoops. Look at that. The desert rats kick their little butts. That's fine. Meanwhile, down here. Aha. Oh, no! No, 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 no. Too late. Great. And I forgot about this guy. And yikes. And I do not have anybody that can really deal with him, do I? No. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. Oh. Yes, take me to my plane. No, I already moved him. What are you talking about? Yes, I'm aware of that. Unmoved units, really. Show me. Oh. All right. You know what? If we're going to be stupid, might as well really stupid it up. That's what I say. Yeah, they shouldn't be able to do much to heavy infantry. Boom. They took some huge losses. That's excellent. Man, that artillery is just nasty. Alright, we're getting you this turn, pal. You're going to die. And why didn't they pull that fighter all the way up? That's so weird. Yeah, they just cut. They just cut my lines. Those rotten, dirty little... Oh, boy. Now we're starting to hit it. Now we're starting to hit Commonwealth troops. Quite a few of them. So the heady turns of exploiting and dashing and daring and all that fun stuff, they're over. Please tell me you can get there. I think he's going to die. Well, oh well. Yeah, I got to fix this, like, right now. Can I... Okay. We'll just have to hang on till I can get there, boys. That's the best I can do. Here. Yeah, we're out of supply, all right. But we should... be able to make a little connection here. Oh, nice. And, yeah, we'll just drive across here. Actually, let's try the Italian fighter first. What? Why can't he shoot? Is this not a fighter? What is this? Is this a dive bomber or something? I thought it was... Well, apparently it's not. Okay. Oops. Oh, wait. Yes. Yeah. All right. Shoot, man. They're going to be taking back stuff any minute now, and I don't have enough points to buy anything else. Darn. Let's see if I can kill this guy. No such luck. You, however. We captured General O'Connor. Awesome. Okay, that's nice. A little history repeating itself. Really? That's all you can do? All right. Good. Got some supply flowing through here as well. And there's Derna, so we're getting close, guys. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Only two. Shoot. Well, we're going to have to take these guys on. Okay. Wow. Yeah. I don't know. I may not have bought enough infantry. I wonder, even with... I've only got 128 points for my Italians. But their regular infantry is like dirt cheap. Even with Bersalaghi, I could... these guys probably are going to do like no good at all fighting, but they might help fill the line. So... yes, I would rather do that. Why not? And where can I deploy them? Let's put one right there. Okay. Wow, that puts our supplies really low for the Italians. Okay, is that it? Yeah, I know, but I can't do anything about it. So, okay. Where's my unmoved? Oh, this guy's unmoved. Well, let's move him. Yes, I know. Ah, two. Wow, man, that was a bad hit. All right. And their fighter runs away. But their bomber's still alive, and he's flying in. Holy cow, man, this guy is brave to the point of suicide. And he got... did he get anything? Yeah, I think he did. Alright, so this guy's a little confused. Gonna try and destroy my artillery. Yikes. This isn't going well. Not going well. Don't have enough German infantry. Probably... Oh, look at that. I didn't even... Wait. How did that happen? What the... Alright, let's go back. Clean... Look. So we've got people running around behind my front lines. Okay, so I got to do something. Let's get a German unit. Let's get... I don't want Fallschirmjäger. I can't do it? Why not? Are you kidding me? Fine. I can't do that either. Okay, this is not great. All right. Let's march you over here. Ooh, look at that. Straight Italian infantry. Did well there. And this guy's out of supply, too. You probably need to come back here. Let them deal with their own stuff. Yeah. Darn it. I was hoping he'd die. Die! Die, you little booger. Awesome. Die. Run away. Alright, now, are you... Let's see what he can do here. Oh, he can. So he's like a ground attack plane. Not a fighter. Okay, my bad. Alright, let's get this guy. Finally! Alright, so he's out of supply. He's out of supply, so it shouldn't take too long to deal with all that. Meanwhile, we're out of supply. Oh, wow, that sucks. Because they've cut us off there, so... I can't move very far because we're out of supply. That's the problem. Crud. Crud. Well, you may have to go the other way or something. Dang it. Oh, thank you. We do want to land this guy. The last thing I need to do is lose... Yeah, let's go. You might need help back here. You know what? Can I? I can't. I didn't think so. Who else hasn't moved? Yeah, I know he hasn't moved, and I don't want him to move because it's not going to do any good. Man. Oh! Man, the anti-air really did a number. Alright. So shoot. He's gonna get him. Run! Run away. That's what I say, run away. All day. There, it's the guy that cut us off. The little... And that guy. So there's two of these little creeps running around messing me up. And I probably won't be able to fight them halfway decently. Can he fire? Yes. Will it do any good? Probably not. Come on, Hex. Are you kidding me? Well, wait. Let's see if we can hurt this guy. All right. Come on. 187. Will they let me buy something for 187? Nope. German. No. How about recon? Nope. Oh, great. I can buy planes. I just can't buy ground units, which is all I really need. Okay. Any tank, because I'm going to have to get some of these pretty quick, but I can't do that either. Great. Just great. Okay. Are you really down to 3? Yay. But we don't got a lot of points, so we're just going to give you some regular points to reinforce yourself. Meanwhile, you need to go this way. You need to come this way so we can get back in supply. Yes. That's what we need. Kill him. Boom. Gone. All right. Second thing we want to do is reinforce you. We want to pull you over here. I'd like to reinforce you, but got to kill this guy. So that's the way that's going to be. Oh, wait. Oop. So he's got to run for the border. Or the landing field, whichever comes first. How many turns? It's got 5 turns left. So, tell you what. Let's get over here. Let's see if it'll do any good. No, didn't think it would, but couldn't hurt to try. Meanwhile, let's hit these guys. All right, that's good. Come up and add to the fun. Good. Push those guys back. Gosh, I can't believe this happened. It's so aggravating. It's totally messed me up. Oh, this guy. Good, let's kill this guy. Now we can get about reconnecting there as well. Cool. All right. Well, you guys are brave artillery guys. You're going to die real soon. All right. Good. So almost out of time, but let's go. That should also help us be resupplied. You guys, they're marked in supply, but they're just, yeah, still hurting because of being out of supply. That makes sense. All right, killed him. Let's bomb this guy. Can't get there. We'll just let you sit there for a while. Here, let's kill this guy. He's gone. So you... Wait. It looks like now supply's pretty good here. Let's just move you up. And let's see, can't reinforce you. Let's just pull you down. How many turns? You got 4 turns left. I want us to get another airfield that's closer. There are some, right? Like right there. Derna. So, but let's get close so we can take care of ourselves if we need to. And you definitely need to. Okay, so yeah, let's get you moving. And you, let's get down here. Let's do this. Good. Captured that. That means the airfield will be next, and then we'll have a good airfield up close. That's good. That's really good. Yeah, let's go ahead and finish this up. Man, these guys are tough. You guys, I'm afraid I'm going to have to reinforce you, even though it hurts. But, all right, let's get you going. Let's get you going. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. Well, we'll quit right after the AI turn. Oh, see if this guy's going to attack. No. All right. Well, that's going to do it for number 2 in our Sandstorm. Having a blast with this. It's a lot of fun, a little aggravating at times, but I think this is really an interesting and fun successor to the Order of Battle series, so you might want to check it out. Till next time, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you later.